Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video because I have finally bought something from Rat & Boa. Honestly, I have said that I wanted to buy something for like over a year now, but obviously it's a little bit expensive. And I just decided to treat myself. So yeah, this is a super popular fiametta blouse that everyone and all the influencers wear. So I'm gonna give you my honest review of this blouse and let you know if it's worth it or not. So I did already open it because I was excited, but this will be sort of an unboxing. Okay, so comes in this cute little bag. And this, I think in total, I haven't checked my bank account yet because checking my bank account is stressing me out, but in total I think it was like 150 Canadian because it's about 110 US dollars. So probably Canadian is going to be 150 plus there was duties on it. So I don't want to think about how much I paid for it, but hopefully it's good quality. Now I actually did have another video where I have a dupe of the blouse, the zebra one. It's from AliExpress and the quality's not great, but it's AliExpress. Anyway, so this is the shirt. The color is just so beautiful, like so beautiful. Wow. Oh, actually I think it's upside down. Yep, it is upside down. So this is what it looks like, and honestly just wearing it with like a little black skirt and some boots in the summer, or you can wear them on, you can wear it on top of a bathing suit, also super cute. All right, so now it's time for my honest opinion of Rat & Boa. So yeah, like I said, my first time ordering anything from Rat & Boa before. The color is just so vibrant and so pretty. The quality, like it feels like a blouse. It's 100% viscose, and I'm honestly not super familiar with materials and stuff, so I don't know if that's like a good material or bad. It feels like, it kind of feels like my AliExpress version, like the same material but softer. And I got a size medium only because the one I got from AliExpress, which I know is obviously not the real one, it was too small to like do up right here, and like I don't have an overly large chest, so yeah, I wanted to get something that was a little bit bigger so I could do it up and like not have a lot of skin showing here, so that I can wear it as a part of an outfit and not just a bikini cover up. All right, so I'm gonna try it on now. Okay, wow, this is very pretty. Super pretty. I love the color with a tan. I feel like it would look so cute. And yeah, it feels nice, it fits nice. I feel so colorful. I'm probably not wearing the best outfit to try this on right now, but this is kind of what the vibe is. And the arms are a little bit flared, so that's nice. Super cute, and it's honestly pretty comfy.